Okay, Miss Lilac, next set of exercise natin. Third working set natin for day 3 and day 6. Kailangan natin yung bar as a reference. So, maganda kung may load yung bar, hindi mo naman natin bubuhatin yan. Magbe-burpees tayo in between that. So, tatalon tayo sa side. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng battle ropes ulit. First is alternating waves. Tapos, jumping jacks. And then, slams. Okay, so 4 exercise tayo. Tuloy-tuloy ulit yung gagawin natin. Okay, so pakita natin yung una. Burpees na may side jump. So, hawak. Talon. Jump. Up. So, yun. Gagamitin natin siya as guide. Si burpees natin. Up. Down. Jump out. Switch. So, we'll be doing this for 10 repetitions. So, isang balik. That's 1 rep. Okay? So half, 1 rep. Again. Half, switch, half. That's 1 rep. So 10 repetitions. As fast as you can, increase natin na maigi yung heart rate pataas. Okay? Alright, right. After natin mag-burpees, Miss Lilac, gagamit na tayo ng battle rope. So dito, iibahin na natin siya. So 3 exercises. 15 seconds each. So, timer tayo. Mabilis lang, 15 seconds. Tapos, ngayon wala nang slack yung ano natin, yung ropes natin. So, atras tayo ng maigi. Medyo malayo talaga. Kailangan nakaangat na siya pag nag-start tayo. Tapos, alternating waves. Alright? As fast as you can. Use your biceps, use your triceps to pull, lift, and pull. And push. Okay? So, squat down, abs tight. Mabilis na mabilis. Okay? So, hindi ko na gagawin kasi maingay. Ayan. So, ganun. And kung kaya natin hindi tatama pala sa floor, mas maganda. Alright? So, 15 seconds. Hinga. Hinga ng malalim. Hawak tayo. Overhand. Okay? First pala natin, alternating yan. Yung dulo niya is nandito na sa palms natin. Bale, grip natin ganyan. Tapos, switch tayo. Overhand. Jumping jacks. So, lift. Okay? 15 seconds as fast as you can. So, jumping jacks. Okay, so this one will be adding resistance para sa shoulders natin and then sa core workout. So, 15 seconds is up. So, jumping jacks. Last one, slams. So, ito core naman yung gusto nating i-focus. So, up, slams. Okay? As hard as you can. Okay? So, very, very powerful dapat yung pag-whip natin sa floor ng battle rope natin. So, yun yung mga workout natin for day 3 and day 6.